See, I started my coding journey 3 years back when I was in intermediate first year. So I started coding with just ignoring all the studies. The dedication that I have was miracle. Like I was doing coding in my mobile in a solo learner app. I bought this keyboard, so I'll show it to you. So this is a keyboard, second-hand keyboard I bought for 300 just to do coding in the mobile because I don't have laptop. So I have taken a connector. I connected this keyboard to the mobile and then did coding in the Solo Learn app while watching the videos in my mom's mobile. So that is how I was passionate on coding. So I learned Java, Python and web development, cybersecurity. I tried many things and I also did Android development. So even I am that much dedicated, I still stopped coding and I have chosen a different path. So I did that. So let's get into the video. See, basically there are so many reasons to stop coding, but the three main reasons to stop coding, and the first one is not interested. See, I'm not saying like coding is very boring, but the fact is I learned coding in a boring way and I found many things interesting than coding because coding was very artificial. You are just working 24/7 on the laptop, you are not feeling it. But when I joined civil engineering, I felt like civil engineering is more better than coding because coding was just artificial. You are not actually creating anything. You are not seeing anything. You are blindly doing something else. But whereas civil engineering, it's not like that. You are seeing the buildings, you are seeing the roads, you are constructing it. You are actually feeling the things in your hands. But whereas coding, I didn't felt like that. So because of that, I just ignored the coding and then I started to work on civil engineering. So I'm not saying like coding is boring, it isn't suited me. And the second reason is no demand. If you observe that every person in the world is started coding and there are so many people who are joining coding, I'm not afraid of the competition, but the fact is that you are doing coding for 3 to 4 days and you can get that code in just 1 minute by giving a prompt. So because of that, I just felt like coding is not for me because you can just do it with AI. And the main reason is my ultimate goal, because my ultimate goal is to do business. So to do business, I started learning coding because when you know coding, you can build website, we can build apps. So with that, you can create business. And that is what I thought. And that is the main intention of starting coding. But when I start to know the business is not the way you think. Business is the way how you can distribute your product to the customer. So you should have the distribution when you start your business. If you have money, you can just create a website with the freelancers or something else who are the person who are doing coding. So that is what I thought. So I'm not feeling interesting and it can be replaced by AI and it doesn't suits my goal well. These are the just primary reasons and there are so many reasons to stop coding and I will never suggest you to stop coding either. So just make sure that what your goals are and whether the coding is suitable for your long-term goal or not. See, for every person there will be long-term goal, right? So if your coding supports that long-term goal, then okay, continue with it. If it doesn't, then stop it. Okay, you can find the best thing which will help to reach the long-term goal. So my suggestion for those who wants to continue coding, do some innovative things in the projects, because if you don't include innovation and spiciness in your coding skills, definitely you'll lose interest in the coding. So if you want to try the highest paying skills, so check out this video. In this video, I made the highest paying skills in the market, like coding and non-coding skills. So you can watch the video to get the knowledge about the skills. So that's all for this video. Until then, it's your Hemant Krishna signing off. Bye.